Hey guys, welcome to Paths Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, in today's world travel series, we are going to explore New York City. New York City is a city in the New York State. Well, it is also referred to as the Big Apple. This is a reference to the Big Apple prizes that were given during the race courses historically. Well, there's some fun things you can do in New York when you're touring there. Firstly, you can visit the Statue of Liberty. It is known to be a gift from France, and as the story is told, Lady Liberty welcomed immigrants who are passing through the Ellis Island so that they can follow their American dream. Then you usually hop into a ferry so that you can go to the Ellis Island to see the Statue of Liberty. Secondly, you can visit the Times Square. It's usually a famous commercial place, and also it has good entertainment spots. Then thirdly, you can go get some good entertainment from the Broadway. They have very good performances. Well, for this and more, check out my website, patsowasis.com. Like, share, and subscribe on social media. And also, check out our books on Amazon. We have books on travel tips and on do it yourselves and also recipes. Until next time.